How to restore deleted photos from Google Photos on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your deleted photos from your Google Photos, which is a cloud, from your Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to locate your Google Photos. So go to your apps, search for Google Photos, and after you find it, open it up. After you open up your Google Photos, you should see all of your photos on the Photos section. If you're not there, tap on the bottom right on the Photos section. So let's delete a few photos from here. I'll just select a few photos. There you'll see the bin option. Tap on that to delete them. And tap on got it. So tap on move to bin. And there we go. So if you have mistakenly deleted your photos like this, you will need to head over to the collections option, which you'll find at the bottom bar. Tap on it. And after you're there, you will need to then tap on the bin option on the top right. After you're there, you'll find all of the deleted photos on your Google Photos. Now to simply retrieve it or restore it, you can select a specific photo and you'll find the restore option right there. Tap on restore and then the photo will be restored. So if you want to restore multiple photos all at once, tap on the select icon on the top right. Select the photos that you want to restore. Then tap on the restore button at the bottom right. Then tap on restore again. And you'll have restored your photos. Now keep in mind that you will need to do this before the 60 days. After you deleted your photos, it will stay in the bin for 60 days. And if they aren't backed up, it will be deleted after 30 days. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you restore deleted photos from Google Photos on your Android. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.